Good morning, viewers. We are on to Mathematics with Dr. OJ. In this video, we shall discuss differentiation of inverse functions. Click the subscribe button below the video. It is free by subscribing to my video channel. And also click the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be duly notified. Thank you. Now, in example 1, if y is equals to arc tan x, we have to find the y dx. Arc tan x is an inverse function. So, from the given problem, by the time we multiply, we're going to have x obey tan y. That's when we multiply x out. So, now we differentiate x with respect to y. This will give you dx dy is equal to sec square y. We recall that in one of our previous videos we already discussed differentiation of trigonometric functions. Whenever we differentiate tan x, we're going to have sec square x. So now that we are differentiating tan y, we have sec square y. I know in trigonometry sec square y is same as 1 plus tan square y. So that means dx dy is now 1 plus tan square y. And from our substitution here, we have x is equal to tan y. So, if you find the square of both sides here, x square will be tan square y. So, instead of writing tan square y, you replace this with x squared. That's why the y is now equal to what? 1 plus x squared. Now, finding the reciprocal of dx dy, you have dy dx. Just that when the reciprocal means the inverse. So, that will now be what? Dy dx is 1 over 1 plus x squared. Now, if y is equals to arc cos x, which is something as cos inverse of x, multiplying that we have x equals to cos y. So, differentiating x with respect to y, we have dx dy is equals to minus sin y. Now, from our elementary trigonometry, sin square y plus cos square y is equals to 1. So, if we take cos square y to the other side, you have sin square y is equals to 1 minus cos square y. So by the time you find the square root of both sides, you are going to have sin y is equals to the square root of 1 minus cos square y. So the x, the y, which is minus sin y, is now going to be what? Minus, instead of sin y now, you are having the square root of 1 minus cos square y. That's why we have this. So which is simple as minus the square root of 1 minus, your x is cos y. So x squared will be cos square y. So that's why we have what? Minus into square root of 1 minus x squared there. So the x, the y is equal to minus into square root of 1 minus x squared. So finding the reciprocal of dx dy. Remember we are asked to find dy dx, not dx dy. So just find the inverse. And you have minus 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. Okay? Now, the second example. Show that d dx of cot inverse of x is equals to minus 1 over 1 plus x squared. So, our function here is y is equals to cot inverse of x, which is arc cot x. So, multiplying out, we have x with the cot y. So, when we differentiate x with respect to y, we have dx dy is equal to minus cos x by y. So you can recall that elementarily in our trigonometry, 1 plus cos square y is equal to cos x square y. Okay? Now that you have minus cos x square y in your dx dy, all you just need to do is to factor out your minus. So you have minus into 1 plus cos square y. And you know cos y is x. So x squared is cos square y. So therefore, the x dy, which is minus cos x square y, will have what? Minus into 1 plus cos square y, which is now what? Minus into 1 plus x squared, because x squared is equal to cos square y. So by finding the reciprocal of the x dy, we get what? Dy dx is equal to minus 1 all over 1 plus x squared. So, kindly subscribe to my video channel below the video. It is free. and click the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be duly notified. Thanks, and God bless you.